nature has always been our best teacher. In the living world, materials flow. One species' waste is another's food. Energy is provided by the sun. Things grow and die, and nutrients return to the soil safely. And it works. Let's dig deeper into what makes this work and discover the link towards the Internet of Trillion Things. Grab your coffee or favorite brew, and let's get into today's coffee time inspiration. We experience the world through different senses: sight, touch, taste, hearing, and smell. Similarly, scientists now study the universe using different messengers: light, particles, and space-time ripples called gravitational waves. Astronomers call these multi-messenger astronomy that connects the universe. The whole surface of Earth is a series of connected ecosystems. Ecosystems are themselves connected in a larger biome. Forests, ponds, reefs, tundra are all types of biomes, for example. At a wider scale, there is a growing evidence that the universe is connected through giant structures. Galaxies within a few million light years can affect each other gravitationally in a predictable way. Scientists have observed mysterious patterns between those distant galaxies that transcend those local interactions. In short, the universe we live in is a connected network of infinite things. Let's call that the Internet of Infinite Things. You're getting where I'm going, right? In this vast universe, the Internet of Trillion Things we will be talking about is but a minuscule shard, binding us with our things together to emulate the nature, efficiency, sustainability, and circularity. A wise man once said, "We can't manage what we can't measure." And we know we can't measure what we can't connect to. Therefore, we can't manage what we can't connect to. Meaning we can't change, we can't optimize, and we can't grow without connecting to the things we use every day. I'm not talking about only the expensive things, cars, appliances, or phones. I'm talking about clothes, milk bottles, medicines, and all sorts of packages of the things we consume. Think about if we had a digital assistant that would recommend to us our shopping list in a way that minimizes our waste, suggests scrumptious recipes using what's at home, avoiding and preventing wasteful expiry. Or by using a fashion-as-a-service subscription, we could get a daily fashion outfit recommendations. Also leveraging what's in our closets, promoting reusability and reducing waste. But for that to work, those everyday products and things need to signal themselves. And just as we as consumers consider these notions, think of how those would apply in our industrial world. Think about how the world's supply chain and operations would transform. The Internet of Trillion Things connectivity should be ambient and available everywhere. Cost-effective enough to go into our everyday items, including sandwiches and socks. And most importantly, clean, not generating unsustainable waste on its own. That's the Internet of Trillion Things we will be talking about in more details in the coming videos. Subscribe if you want to be notified when they are posted. Liking this video will help spread the word. Thank you for your priceless time, and see you soon.